Johnny Depp fans were predictably glued to their mobile phones outside the courthouse yesterday as 6 weeks on they awaited the verdict in the actor's trial against his former wife Amber Heard.
Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes.
But far from drawing a line under the case, the decision to find in Depp's favour has merely deepened divisions between those who see it as the death knell for metoo and those, like the jury, who believe Miss Heard lied when she wrote an opinion piece in the Washington Post in which she described herself as a victim of domestic abuse.
And the constant, stumbling over her words. She was trying to figure out what she was trying to say, and her body language, that's not the body language of somebody who's abused. That's the body language of an abuser and a narcissist.
So you think, as she stood there and gave all those details, that she was simply making all the physical stuff up?
So he did say there were times where he held her, right? I think there might have been some incidental contact, but I don't think I do not think that he, abused her physically. I don't.
So she was lying?
I think she was lying, 100%.
Her arguments, did they not convince you?
No, not at all. Her stories were not put together very well at all. They were very lopsided. So he told the best story he could. So
here come the lawyers.
Depp's attorney, who cried in court as the verdict was read, thanked the jury.
Today's verdict confirms what we have said from the beginning, that the claims against Johnny Depp are defamatory and unsupported by any evidence.
I was looking out of the window and he slaps my face.
Miss Heard did attempt to present evidence that Depp's drug and alcohol-fueled binges, she claimed, would cause him to punch, kick and slap her. And the court was shown multiple instances like this one of him drunk and angry, but no clear evidence was shown of him physically abusing her.
Have you drunk this whole thing this morning? Oh, you got this going? You got this going? Oh, really? Good morning.
In the end, Depp and his legal team managed to successfully flip the narrative to persuade the jury that he was the victim and Miss Heard the obsessive, jealous and angry partner.
She has a need for conflict. There's a need for violence. It erupts out of nowhere.
Of course, Depp's fame ensured the trial played out on social media too, where the hashtag Justice for Johnny received more than 19 billion views on TikTok.
Ew, this is so cringe. Guilty.
But in finding against Heard in all bar one of her claims, has the jury sent a message to women worldwide? Come forward with your stories of domestic abuse at your peril. The barrister Charlotte Proudman says what happened to Amber Heard is indicative of the way female victims are treated in court.
Why she didn't have more bruises, yet ignoring the bruises that she did have. Why she didn't have more evidence, ignoring the evidence she did have. It's the way in which women are cross-examined in a courtroom process. And she hasn't hijacked the Me Too movement, but the whole circus that has gone along with that has resulted in the Me Too movement now being dead. Rest in peace, Me Too, because that's exactly what we've seen. It's dead, buried, gone.
Miss Heard described the verdict as a setback for women, while her former husband said his goal was to reveal the truth. Whether or not you believe he achieved that is for history to decide. In the meantime, Depp will be hoping he's done enough to restore his reputation, and with it, the return of the multi-million-dollar film contracts.